In OneNote 2013, there's an extra feature that makes working with the components of OneNote even easier, and also the Office 2013 suite. Notice at the bottom, this is a special Notes portion of OneNote. You can do screen clipping, send things directly to OneNote, and even create a quick OneNote. Let me demonstrate on how these three components can be used. First, this is an Excel spreadsheet, and it's one file. I want to send it directly to OneNote. By selecting the middle portion, I'm asked, where would you like to put this particular spreadsheet? And I've chosen my 16 notebook and my new section. It allows me to also insert a file or the actual spreadsheet here. That gives me an awful lot of information that I can move from different components of Office onto OneNote for special reasons. Now let's look at PowerPoint and see if I can do the same thing. A background's been chosen, and I want to send it to OneNote. By selecting that, it once again tells me and asks in this dialog box, where do you want to place it? And I'm going to put it in a section numbered 2. Now I also can size this. Notice there are handles on this particular background, and I am shrinking it slightly. You're allowed to move these backgrounds around, so if you have a mistake or make a mistake, you certainly can go back and undo and redo. In this case, my background slid up too far, and I'm just going to move it down. Now, with this kind of components, if I wanted to, I could take a screenshot of something and include it. Again, looking at the different components I have to choose from, I want to go back to OneNote and make sure that I understand what I'm doing. So, by choosing my selection, I now want to make a notation, and I've chosen my Quick Note component. To do this, all I have to do is type on it and close it either by using the top hash mark or the X in the upper right-hand corner. It is saved specifically to one notebook, and I don't have to tell this one what to do. When I close this, watch what happens. My default notebook, the first one on my list, the one that I created first, keeps all my quick notes. And there it is. Use this background. I can add to this palette, or I can leave it alone and date it. I've got flexibility, and once again, OneNote 2013 helps me work effectively and efficiently.